BJP leader Kapil Mishra's hate speech has set standards for violent content on Facebook. Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg referred to the threat issued by Kapil Mishra against anti-CAA protesters as an example of hate speech that incites violence. The reference of Kapil's speech has revived the debate over the Delhi police refusal to act against ruling party politicians for their role in the communal disturbances that took the lives of over 50 people this February. Zuckerberg was speaking to Facebook employees on June 2nd about what constitutes social media incitement. Though he did not directly name Mishra, the quote he cited made it clear that who he was referring to. You know, if somebody is actually going to encourage violence, I think in general, you just don't want that content up. There have been examples of government officials around the world. We've taken them down. There have been cases in India, for example, where someone said, hey, if the police don't take care of this, our supporters will get in there and clear the streets. That is kind of encouraging supporters to go do that in a more direct way, and we look that down. So we have a precedent for that. Zuckerberg's interaction was held in the backdrop of Facebook being criticized for its failure to censor or to take down the posts of US President Donald Trump in the wake of massive Black Lives Matter protests and the violence which rocked the country following the brutal killing of a 46-year-old African American man, George Floyd, in Minnesota on May 25th. The online meeting discussed Trump's Facebook posts, which included one in which he called for harsh measures against those indulging in arson and violence during the protest by saying, "When the looting starts, the shooting starts." As for Mishra's comment, Zuckerberg is learned to have alluded it to convey to his nearly 25,000 employees that Facebook does act in cases of clear incitement. It was during Trump's visit to India from February 24 to 25 that Mishra, while addressing his supporters in Northeast Delhi, had given a 3-day ultimatum to Delhi police to evict anti-CAA protesters who were blocking a road at the Zafrabad metro station. He had also issued a statement on Twitter saying a 3-day ultimatum to the police to clear the roads, and after that, please do not try to convince us. We would not even listen to you. Mishra had also shared videos on social media in which he was heard saying, "We will maintain peace until US President Donald Trump is in India. After that, we refuse to listen to even the police if the roads are not cleared. We will be forced to hit the streets." He also used Twitter to urge people to come together and prevent another Shaheen Bagh type of road blockade protest from taking shape at Jafrabad. In March, Justice Muralidhar of the Delhi High Court had directed the Delhi police to take a decision on filing an FIR against Mishra for his remarks. But before the deadline set, he was transferred out, and the bench which replaced him accepted Solicitor General Tushar Mehta's claim that conditions were not conducive for action to be taken and that an FIR would be filed at an appropriate time. Since then, the police have arrested several individuals associated with the protest against CAA, slapping terrorism charges on at least 5 of them, but Mishra has not yet been charged.